What up, bros? It's TZ. Does card, sorry. Back with another the Lego tutorial. Yeah. Just got a bit of blood there. Anyway, yeah. So let's get started. We're gonna be making how to do a Ferrari. Nope, I mean the Jeep. Alright. That's what you need. What are those? If guys have found like it's like that plain piece. It's like this one. The top looks like that. The top looks like that. Yeah, that's what the top looks like. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, by the way, please like and comment and don't comment on my video, sorry. Just like, subscribe. Have a great day. Alright guys, let's get back to the normal part. Where that. Yeah. And it should have holes in the back. See? With the black connector things just go in there. Right, yeah. This should have one too at the bottom. Yeah. Right, to get it there, what you need is an engine piece. Yeah, it's an engine piece. Yeah. So then, what you want to do is you want to stick it right like that. So you want to do. Right, next you get one of these, your backlight. Yep, it's one of those. They just look like that. Yeah. Right. You stick it at the back, right, like that. Look like that. Okay, once we've done that, guys, we're gonna get 2 of these. 2x4 smooths. Any color. Make sure. Move them in like that. Now what you need? 1x4. Right. Right like that. Right, so it should look like that. Oh. Yeah. So yeah, that's what it should look like. Now, we get 2 of these. Either be grill, flat, whatever. Has to be those 1x2s. Flats. Took them like something like that.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I'm just gonna be down the other end, okay?
Yep. Okay, sorry. So it's just my mum's friend. So just gonna start to the main part. Put that on. So that. You get another one like that. Then get a flat piece. One of these. 1x2 flats. Stud one. Stick it right like that. Now what you want to do, might be a bit tricky, might not be a bit tricky. Depends on what you start. Alright. Well, let's get to the other part. Sorry, just getting off on the pieces. Soon I'll be showing you how to make a Lego Ferrari. Yeah. What is a 4x10? 4x10. Alright. Stick it on the side like that. Make sure it has space for 2. Like that. And stick on like that. So we don't want it like that. It's gonna look like that. Sorry. Gonna get one. Sorry guys. Okay, so you need 2 of these. 2 1x2 bricks. Again. We'll place it, 1x4, sorry. Like that. Like that. It should look like that at the end. So you can see from a far scale. Sorry guys, I'm not going to show you my face, but yeah. Look at that. There. So yeah. That's all that you need for now. But now what you need? One of these. Two of these. 1x2 single slopes. What you do is you want to stick one at the end like that. One at the other end that. And just stick it like that. Thing should look like that. And yeah, so that's what it should look like. Bye. And you can upgrade it with any kind of anything. Yeah. Say 1x4 flat studs. Stick them right there, like that. And put a there it is. Find a 1x2 stud piece. Like that. Then you're gonna get yeah. You'll just have to use these flat thing, one of these, and another one. I'm just trying to find it. One by twos, and set the 1 to 2x2 flat piece like that. Oh, sorry guys, just came out. Yeah, and should look like that. Pretty awesome speedboat. By the way, sorry, doesn't stick people on, but yeah. Please subscribe and have a nice day. Oh yeah, one other thing that I'll show you. One of these. Put any wheel you want, but I prefer these little small ones. Just like that. You put it on the back. You put it on the front, on the bottom, like just like that, and like that. So you'll be just like that. So I should have wheels on the bottom. Yeah. It goes along the trailer. So you don't need a trailer, portable trailer. Yeah. Oh yeah. And that. You have to have a green glow in the dark 1x2 grill. Stick it like in the back piece that I showed you. Then what you want to do is stick it like that. And yeah, got that. When you're done, it should like that. Oh yeah, on part 2, I'm gonna be making a part 2. Yeah, to show you how to make the motor. Pretty simple. Actually, I'll show you now, if you guys want to. 3 1x1s and a stack. 3 1x1s. You want to do is now you want that bendy piece, but I won't be able to find it now. So just tell my friends, please. Shh. Hush. Yeah. That. And then you need like a bendy piece. Unfortunately, I don't have one, which kind of sucks. But I'm just gonna use that. Alright. So you want to stick it on the bottom like that. It should look like that. Oh. like that in the video, but I'm gonna make a part 2. That's what it should look like for now. Sorry guys, that was just a thought. Yeah, so that's what it looked like, and swivel, whatever. Burn. Now what you're gonna do is actually 1 by 2, stick it on top. We'll stick it like somewhere up like that. Oh, sorry guys, this keeps coming off. Yeah, so it should look like that. Stick it straight on. There. Because it has a swiveling piece, see? You can turn it at the same time. See the swiveling piece? Yeah, that's what the mode's gonna be. I'm gonna make another one very soon. And thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and please watch my part 2 video. And yeah, see you later, bro. Make sure you watch my part 2. See ya.